Hi, my name is Sebastian Piotrowski. Today I'm gonna present you the conditional breakpoints, one of the features of Visual Studio. If we want to fix a bug in our code, most of the time we will use debugger to step through the code and figure out where the code is failing. But what to do when our code churns through a lot of data? If we set a breakpoint where we're supposed to find something, the application might break thousands of times before hitting upon the right set of inputs that actually trigger the bug. In such situation, we can use one of the features of Visual Studio, the conditional breakpoints. I've created a very simple application. In here you see the string, which is initially set it up to string empty, and here is the loop. Going through the loop, the string current is set up to the value of I. And at the end I'm writing on the console the value of the current string. So when I set the breakpoint in here and start debugging by hitting F5, okay, I will add a watch to better see the current value of I, and when I'm hitting F5, I see that the value is set up to particular value starting from 0 up to 1000. But what in the case if I would like, for example, to break my program only when the value will be equal to 40? I can use the conditional breakpoints. So when I've got a breakpoint set up, I'm clicking right button of the mouse and choose the condition. In here, as you can see, the checkbox is checked. In here I've got a text box in where I can define my condition, and I've got also two options, the is true and has changed. Let's start with the is true, and I would like to stop my program when the I will be equal to 40. So I'm writing the condition I is equal to 40. Press OK. Now I'm supposed to stop my program when the I will be equal to 40, only when the I will be equal to 40. So I'm hitting F5, and as you can see, the I is equal to 40. My program stops in the breakpoint, and when I'm hitting back the F5, there are no other stops. The second option in the conditional breakpoints is has changed. When I've set the has changed option, the program will stop each time when the value of this condition, because this is a boolean value, so when the value will be changed from true to false, or from false to true. And let's look how does it work. I'm hitting F5. Now my program has changed because my program has stopped because the value has been changed. It was initially equal to null, so in the first run of this loop the I is equal to 0, so the condition is set up to false. Now I'm hitting back the F5 and my program stops again, because now the condition is equal to true, because I is equal to 40. Now I'm hitting F5 once more and another stop, because the I is equal to 41, so the condition has been changed from false to from true to false. And when I'm hitting F5 once more, the program has finished its work. As you can see, the conditional breakpoints can be very useful in where we've got for example, loops or a lot of data, and we are supposing to find something only for particular values of our program. The debugger will not only only break when the condition is set up to true or the condition has changed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next of my videos.